Thaddi is just around the corner, and if you're Sindhi, I'm sure you know Thaddi is so much more than just eating cold food. I asked the most loved voices from our Sindhi community who are helping keep the culture alive, and I asked them what does Thaddi mean to them, and this is what they had to say.
Thadri for me is a real memory of my childhood.
My fondest थदड़ी जी memory would be मुंहिंजे भाभी जे हथ जा दाल जा फुल्का.
या न त मुंहिंजो दिमाग़ मूंखे स्ट्रेट खणी वेंदो आहे मुंहिंजे नंढपण जे घर में.
थदड़ी असांजे लाइ जाम वधीक मायने रखंदी आहे.
We used to celebrate at my nani's house. We were preparing all the besanis and the khajas and the khatto bhat.
आली भारी भी ठाहिणी आहे, सुकी भारी भी ठाहिणी आहे, पकोड़ा भी तरणा आहिनि, दही वड़ा भी ठाहिणा आहिनि, ॾही अलॻि थी ठहे, वड़ा अलॻि था ठहे, दाल जा फुल्का था पचनि गरमा गरम, पोप भरे हुन मथां तेल थो लॻे, which means there was a little muslin cloth that you would dip in the oil and you would put it on the fulka so that they stay soft for the next day.
छोकी ॿिए ॾींहुं चूल्हो कान जलंदो. सुबुह या शाम जो पोइ शीतला माता जी पूॼा थींदी आहे ऐं मूंखे मिठो लोलो मथां मखण मूंखे इलाही मज़ो ईंदो खाइणु.
केरोसिन स्टव हूंदो हो जिते मम्मी हेठि वेही करे पचाईंदा हुया. She used to sit on the floor, dupatta, very compulsory. That is just to be it's to be a devotion to have that the next day.
Like it's etched in my memory.
पर थोरो प्रोटीन घटि आहे यार. थोरो पनीर वनीर वग़ैरह पाए करे कयो न कुझु त पंहिंजो फिक्स थी वेंदो. पंहिंजी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन थदरी बैलेंस वे में करे सघंदी while enjoying our Sindhi food.
This time maybe I make one meal with that one Lola in the memory of my dadi.
I was pushed out of the kitchen because I wanted to actually eat those delicious things before that. You know what? It was well worth the wait. Sabi chao, Jai Jhulelal.
I loved everyone's take on Thaddi because while the festivals are same for all of us, the memories, the stories for everybody is different. So I'm going to be sharing most of the recipes, the classics that we grew up eating. Stay tuned and I hope you are as excited for Thaddi as I am.